No, that's not her mama. She just loving on some Xena. Last time she was biting her on the back of the leg. Now she just loving on her. She was just sleeping. Xena's like, ugh, this dog. Somebody get this puppy away from me. Sometimes she can be lovable. The puppy and Xena both. Are you loving on Xena? Xena getting some lovins. Or the puppy loving on you? Puppy? You loving on Xena? Yes, the puppy's name is Puppy. But, you know, we have a dog named DOG, so it's kind of fitting, don't you think? Need to give Xena some kisses, Puppy? Xena said, oh, stretch, stretch.